lot of different ways. I like them roasted. Some people like to pickle them. They are delicious and very healthy. Harvest your beets, pull or dig out the beets in the late spring, early summer. Do not allow the beets to get bigger than 3 inches in diameter, or the flavor will really become very bitter. If you are going to plant your beets in the ground, then plant them next to lettuce, garlic, or onions if you are planting any of those. Do not plant these or put these containers next to your beans because they don't like each other. I hope this tutorial helped you. I hope that you discovered a green thumb. I pray that you have a bountiful harvest and all of this food will help you with your family in this crazy time. Please stay safe, stay healthy. As your plants start to grow and they start to germinate and they get beautiful, take pictures, post them on social media, post them in the Dyer County Essential Garden group, hashtag Dyer County Essential Garden. If you are interested in learning more about being a gardener, or you feel like this has sparked a light in you, consider joining the Dyer County Master Gardeners or any Master Gardeners program in your county. Just call your local extension office and find out when they're offering classes. And I hope to see y'all soon at Sunflower Health Food. Bye.